G'day all, it's Colin from PC TLC and thanks for joining me. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at my Ezarcher KDE ISO that I spun up last week, and this was done on the 29th of September I believe. Just let me double check that. Yep, the 29th of September was the day I done this video. So I'm just going to have a quick look at the install. So let's get on with it. So here we are on the install, going to search for install system. I'm just reacting to this video pretty much. I didn't do any audio on this video, just recording itself. Yeah, I forgot to connect the Wi-Fi. Let's fast forward that. There's a few glitches in this as well, unfortunately. I was using Voco screen, so I don't normally use that. So I'm going to be installing this to this 500 gig. There's my 250, that's my main GNOME system. I'll be installing on the 500 gig, that 465 there. So I'll create a new partition table for that, GPT, and create on the new space. Now I think I did this twice. I think I went back. So I'm creating 600 megabyte. So here I'm creating a 600 megabyte boot partition, be EFI. And well, I think I select boot on that, yes, and label that EFI boot. And then we go to the free space and create a bit more. This one will be swap, so it'll be 8 gigs of swap. I've got 32 gigs of memory, so normally if I've got more than 8 gig, I normally just leave it at 8 gig. That's the way I do it. Select swap there. Now I'll be making my root partition. I think I was just working out what size I was going to make it. So 250. Yeah, I did 256. That was a bit too much for root. That's why I did it again. So let's just see what I do here. That's a I realized after that yeah, that's too much. So I think I started again. So let's have a look at that. Yeah, I started that again. So we'll make that, I think it was 120. I don't know what I'm up to there, to be honest. It was a bit rusty, I think. Yeah, I made it there. There it is there. I made it 120. I think I missed that. 20 gig root, and this one is a data partition. Keep all my data on there. And I think I forgot to, yeah, I forgot to label that root. Okay. And then click next. Put my name and stuff. And install. I might just quickly go back and find where I did the 120. I think I missed that. Yeah, I think I thought I was doing swap there, I think. Then I realized what I needed to make. That's the 120 root partition, which is the top one. A little bit rusty, I have to say, and mark that up as root. And I forgot to put the label, so I did that. Then we can go a bit forward, and that's the installer started up. And quite a few glitches there, so we'll just run through that installer. So that was pretty much the install. It's almost complete at that point. And it's just about complete. And install was done. So that was the install. Pretty quick, pretty harmless. So that was the install of my EzeeLinux KDE Ezarcher. That was pretty quick. Not too much involved in that. So when you spin up your own ISO with the tools provided by eznix at Ezarcher there, it makes it... and if you can get it, the whole thing going. I'm not convinced on KDE. Heads up now, I had some anomalies happening once after install. I was just doing a few things after install. I've recorded that. The screens seem to be sort of look like they're vibrating. Some sort of graphic glitch in it. I don't know if it'll show up on video, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm happy about that. I've been thinking about LMDE, Linux Mint LMDE 6. Not sure if I want to go that stable or not. I might try something different. I'm not sure, but we'll see how far I get with this KDE. But it looks like it's sort of not playing nice with my Intel NUC, which I thought would have been not a problem at all. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I haven't really touched it since post-install after making that video. Just thought I'd get the video out of the way and then try it out from there, because I've got to set it all up again, the same as this, with all my logins and stuff. So I thought they were logged in, but it's not. So anyway, that was the install of my Ezarcher ISO KDE. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it interesting and informative, and thanks for watching.